Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am your physics teacher Ms. Saida from Bahria Colleges PNET. Our previous video was on introduction of vernier caliper. Now revise quickly. There are two scales in vernier caliper, main scale and vernier scale, and the least count of the vernier caliper is 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter. Our today learning objectives are: after this video, the student will be able to understand error in vernier caliper and working of vernier caliper. Let's take reading from this figure. Here is main scale reading 22 millimeter just before the zero of the vernier scale, that is equal to the 2.2 centimeter, and the vernier scale reading is 6 division because we observe that 6 division of the vernier scale coincide with the main scale. So 6 division is taken as a reading of vernier caliper, and this 6 division multiplied by its least count 0.01 centimeter, we get 0.06 centimeter, the reading of the vernier scale. The total reading we get from this figure is 2.2 plus 0.06 is equal to 2.06 centimeter. Now let us see in this figure, our 0 is here. Main scale reading will be 2.1. Just before 0 we get 2.1 centimeter, and the vernier scale reading will be 4 division. When we multiply by 4 to its least count, we get 0.04. We will just use two-step method to get the measurement reading from this. To obtain the main scale reading, look at the main scale above 2.1 centimeter is to the immediate left of the 0 on the vernier scale, hence the main scale reading is 2.1 centimeter. To obtain the vernier scale reading, look at the image above and look closely for an alignment to the scale. Here, main scale and vernier scale in the image above, the aligned line corresponding to 0.3. Look in this figure. Main scale reading is 2.1 because 0 is just here of the vernier caliper and the reading before 0 is 2.1. We will just use two-step method to get the measurement reading from this. To obtain the main scale reading, look at the image above. 2.1 centimeter is the immediate left of the 0 on the vernier scale, hence the main scale reading is 2.1. In case of vernier scale reading 1, 2, 3, the third line of vernier scale aligned to the main scale. So, to obtain the vernier scale reading, look at the image above and look closely for an alignment of the scale line of the main scale and vernier scale. In the above image, the aligned line corresponds to 3. Hence, the vernier scale reading is 0.03 because 3 division multiplied by 0.01 centimeter of the least count, we get 0.03 centimeter. We will add the main scale reading and vernier scale reading together. This will get 2.1 centimeter plus 0.03 centimeter is equal to 2.13 centimeter. This is the simplest way to take reading from vernier caliper. Due to mechanical error, sometimes the 0 mark of the vernier scale do not coincide with the 0 mark on the main scale. The vernier caliper is said to be 0 error. In this case, 0 of the vernier scale coincide with the 0 of the main scale, so there is no zero error. Now look, in this figure, 0 of the vernier scale remain the right side of the main scale, so this type of error is called the positive zero error. For further explanation, look at this picture. Here 0 remain the right side of the main scale and 3 division coincide with the main scale, so positive error will be 3. Positive error when the two jaws are in contact and the 0 of the vernier lies right to the 0 of the main scale, the error is positive and the zero correction is negative. Like in this example, our zero correction would be negative 0.03 centimeter because error is positive. But in case of negative zero error, 0 of the vernier caliper remain the left side of the 0 of the main scale. Here negative zero error is occur. Like in this figure, we discuss about the negative zero error. Here 0 of the vernier scale is left side of the main scale and 8 division of the vernier scale coincide with the main scale. So according to formula, we get zero error is equal to minus 10 minus 8 is equal to minus 2 divisions. Zero correction is positive 2 multiplied by 0.01 centimeter and we get positive zero correction of 0.02 centimeter. Negative error when the two jaws are in contact and the 0 of the vernier lies left to the 0 of the main scale, then the error is negative and the zero correction is positive. Always before taking reading, you must check, is there zero error? If yes, then check either it is positive or negative. Now we are going to take reading in case of zero error. Look at the last picture. Here is zero error. 6 division of the vernier scale coincide with the main scale, but the 0 is at the left hand side. Here is negative zero error. We will count here from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4 division as a taking reading of negative zero error and zero correction will be 0.04 centimeter because 4 division multiplied by 0.01 of the least count, we get 0.04 centimeter reading of the vernier scale. From above diagram, reading of the main scale will be 3.3 centimeter and the vernier scale reading will be 4 division. After multiplying from the least count, we get 0.04 centimeter vernier scale reading. Total reading after addition of main scale and vernier scale will be 3.34 centimeter. Correct reading always be equal to obtained reading minus zero error. Now measurement with zero error 3.34 centimeter. Zero error is 0.04. A negative zero error. Actual measurement without zero error will be 3.34 minus, here is minus zero error, so minus 0.04 is equal to 3.38 centimeter. This means that all measurement taken by the vernier caliper will be smaller by 0.04 centimeter. Hence you will have to add 0.04 centimeter to all measurement in order to get the true measurement in case of negative zero error. If zero error will be positive, then the method will be 3.34 minus, here is positive zero error, so plus 0.04 is equal to 3.30 centimeter will be the actual reading. Because since the zero error is positive, this means that all measurement taken by the vernier caliper will be larger by 0.04 centimeter. Hence you will have to subtract 0.04 centimeter from all measurement in order to get true measurement. The final calculation in case of positive zero error will be 3.34 minus 0.04 is equal to 3.30. Now you can observe reading from in this case easily. Here is no zero error. The main scale reading will be 2.4 and the vernier scale reading will be 0.07. Now I hope you will understand to take reading from vernier caliper and its use. Here is your home task.